I'm going to share with you what is important, and if you really want it, hear it for once. Now, everything that is important to move up the corporate ladder, to join the big boss table, or to leave a good impression is impression. Now, you might underestimate it, but this is the sole thing which is important. Now, if you break down impression, it's majorly six. The first is basic hygiene. Basic hygiene is very important. Now, no one should ever pinpoint out what needs to be done. There should be not even a single question. Never ever. What to wear, how to talk, when to talk, how to work, send mails, doing your duties. Second is knowing your environment. If you don't know the people around you, how are you going to use them? Who to respect, whom to avoid, whom to use as stepping stone. Third is hard work. Now is this will tell how long are you going to stay, how fast are you going to grow. This is unquestionable if you really want to grow. Fourth is knowing your industry. Get updated. Know people who are important. Know some history. The more you know, the more you have under your belt, which will help you when you are in big boys table. Do your work. Every day pre-plan your day. What to say. Whom to target. Plan your week. Sixth is corporate politics. Now there is another video which is required, a very long video. But one thing for now is know the people who have written books regarding your fields. Read them. Read them. They're going to use the phrases, words that will help you every single day. You miss out this any single day, you have increased your promotion or your impression down to earth, where it is very hard to pick up. Never lose a single day. Hard work or smart work,